Are you in the business of friction stir welding? Do you weld or process high-temperature materials such as ferrous, nickel base, or titanium base alloys? Are you tired of paying exorbitant amounts of money for the tools that you use? Do you want to avoid the long lead times associated with their delivery? Are you looking for a solution that is not vulnerable to global supply chain delays? A solution that is scalable to support any scale of operations that your institution requires? A solution that suits your exact needs? Wouldn't it be great if you had a tool that performs like a polycrystalline cubic boron nitride tool? A tool that is as customizable as tungsten rhenium or lanthanated tungsten tools? And costs similar to tungsten carbide cobalt tools? Something like a Swiffer mop with different attachments based on the requirement? Introducing CeraStir Tools, a company that provides custom tooling solutions based on your needs. Tools that are manufactured using a proprietary powder metallurgy approach combined with low-cost tool manufacture. CeraStir Tools uses a proprietary systems approach technique that combines integrated computational materials engineering, prototyping, and testing to innovate custom tool materials for your specific needs. Tools that are made of a hard carbide phase embedded in a tough and thermally stable metallic binder phase. An end-to-end customized solution for all your high-temperature friction stir welding tooling requirements.